So, it's your girl Brianna, and I'm back again with another video. This time, I am going to be opening up this thing. I'll be right back with you guys when I have all the lights on. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn on the few lights. Okay, so let's get to the video. I'm so excited. Okay. Hey Simba. Look at Simba, guys. He's over there. Hold on, let me go to him. Because you know how cats are, they run away from you. It's okay. It's okay. This is my cat, Simba. Say hi to the Rainbow Gang. But yeah, that's Simba. He's a really cute and cool cat. Okay. I'm so excited to open this up. And if it cuts off, if this phone cuts off, it's okay. I'm just going to end the video right there. It's just because I don't have enough storage and I'm getting a new phone in a minute. So yeah. So this is the first slime. It says it's Duo Slime. Let's open it up. Okay. Ooh, feels weird. Wow. Wow. Guys, that's so cool. It's so jiggly, as you can see. It's like jiggling around. Look. Have you guys ever had slime like that? Comment down below. But yeah, guys, it feels watery. It feels so weird. And you can kind of poke it. And you can't make a slime bubble. Alright, let's set that to the side. Put it back in this container. It doesn't want to go in. Why doesn't it want to go in? Come on, go in. Okay, it's kind of going in, guys. This stuff is like it's breaking. Like, it's very gooey, as you guys can see. Okay. Oh, why are you not? Oh, that feels so good. Look at it, guys. Watch this. If I push it, another side goes up. It's so cool. So that was the first slime. Here's the second one. Like I said, again, if the phone goes out, it means I don't have enough storage. I'm getting another phone in a minute, so yeah. What comes in here is like this goo slime, and then this. It doesn't want to come out. Why isn't it coming out? What the heck? Wow, this is so bouncy. Okay. So I'm guessing you're supposed to put this in here. Let's open it. It's so gooey. Wow. Okay, so let's pour this in the mouth. First, let's take it out. Ooh, it feels so good, guys. Let me open the whole thing. Yeah. Ooh. You see this, guys? It's kind of like the other one, but feels much better, and it's not really breaking as much as the other one. Let's just open this up. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I don't know why I was so excited when I first bought this with my own money. It's much smaller than the other one. If you guys agree, comment down below. Yeah. You saw that, guys? He like slurped it in. This piece isn't going in. Oh, here it goes. The 10. Like the emoji 80. Watch this, guys. Let's squeeze it all out. Alright, it's gone. So yeah, this is very fun to play with. I advise you guys to buy it. I got this from Walgreens, but you can also get it from Walmart, and yeah. This is really fun to play with. It's like goop. It feels very watery, guys. Why are you staring at me, Simba? Look at this. This is so creepy. What are you looking at, Chicken Nugget? He's a chicken nugget. What are you looking at, Chicken Nugget? I love you, chill. He's long. Look at him. Say hi, Rainbow Gang. Yeah, guys. He's really cute. Okay, so, yeah. I'm gonna bring my mom water. Let's go in the refrigerator. Ooh, we got all food. Okay, guys, so, water. There we go. Let's go, go, go. Why are you looking at me?
You can see that phone.
You alright?
Set the alarm. I mean, you can't see the phone because I don't have no choices. I got a choice like that.
Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. Like I said, if the phone cuts off, that means I don't have enough storage. So don't be surprised when it cuts off. Ooh, look at it now. Hold on. It's like all around. Okay. It's so slippery. Yeah. Like I said, guys, this is amazing. I advise you guys to get it from the store. Look at it. It's just slurping it up. But yeah, this one is really fun. I'm going to get out the other one. It's like a potion. Okay. It's staying in there. It doesn't like me, guys. No. Come on. There we go. It's so jiggly. Let me scoot the camera back so you guys can see. There we go. Hold on. Now there we go. Okay. So guys, look, it's so jiggly. And this one is breaking up. Oh, you saw that? It looks so watery, guys. How do they keep this stuff like this? If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll be responding to you guys in a few minutes. Let's do a 3-second like challenge. I want to see if you guys can like this video and just like this video. Let's start over. Let's do a 3-second like challenge. I want to see if you guys can like this video in 3 seconds. Here we go. You guys ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, done. If you can do that, comment down below, Rainbow Gang, and I will be replying to you guys. And yeah. That was so cool. You hear it? Hold on, let me bring the camera up closer. That just sounds wrong. Like it sounds like an explosion. But yeah, I like this one, guys, and I also like the other one. I'm surprised the camera hasn't cut off yet. Come on, come out. I'm gonna mix one of these with this. You guys dare me? Okay. Mix, mix, mix. Wow, it's not even mixing. See, look. No matter how much I mix it, it just falls apart. Mix. Why are you mixing? That's actually a good thing, because if my sister tries to mix them together, you can't mix them, so it's not my fault. It's their fault. So, come on, mix. It's not mixing. I give up. Dang it, I thought it was mixing for a second. Okay. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn off the post notification so you can get a ding ding whenever I post. And yeah, let's see you guys later. So I want to show you guys something. I made hot Cheetos and Taki slime. Or just hot Cheetos. My bad, I said Taki. Look. It smells so good. Like, but yeah, put that back up. But yeah, look at this goo, guys. It's so gooey. Without further ado, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video. Comment down below what slime do you want me to make next, and I'll be replying to you guys. See you guys later. Slime hugs. Slime hugs. And another slime hug. A bye-bye slime hug. I wanted to show you guys something. That's why I never unpaused the video. So I wanted to show you guys something. So, I want to show you guys. I forgot. Anyways, I'll show you guys in my next video. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this video. Without further ado, goodbye.